welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I pipe a moth orchid. So we've got our cupcake and it's frozen. We need white buttercream, which I've used Ingenious edibles, and we also need Progel Peach, and we also need the Progel Pink. The tips I'm using is a Gem 127, which is this nozzle, and it's got a fat end and a thin end. You need a number 2, which is a small round nozzle. We need a GG Cake Craft 810, which is a smile tip, but you could use a 79 or an 80, so it doesn't really matter which one you use, but I'm using a GG Cake Craft 810. And I've also got a number 4 round tip. So to start with, we've got our we've also coloured some buttercream in the Progel olive green, which I shall show you which one that is, which is this one. So that's the Progel olive green. If you haven't got the Progels, use Sugar Flare. Those are about the best two I use. So we flat out our cupcake, and then what I've done with a cocktail stick is I've marked down there, across there, and across there, just like that. So it's 3 lines, and this is just as a guide. You don't have to stick to it, but it's just a guide. So we'll take our Gem 127, and the fat end is going down towards cupcake. So what we're going to do is start piping from here, from this side of that line, so from the centre. So we gently squeeze and go right round, moving the cupcake round, so you've got a nice large fat teardrop shaped petal. Now we're doing the same on this one, so we're going right round, and another one there, and then we do another one here. So right round, and come up there. Right, so you should have 3 like that, which looks like that. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to wipe the end of the nozzle, so I have to have some wipes on hand. So wipe the end, and we need to tighten the bag up again. You can hear background noise. Unfortunately, I'm awful sorry about that. I can't help what the neighbours are doing. Right, anyways, so we get on with this. So we've got 2 gaps here, and this is where we're going to put our next petals. So we're going to start this one. So that's the gap. So we want to start it roughly here and come round, moving your cupcake, and put one there. And then the same on that side, so they're completely opposite. So we come round and come off. So you've got that, it's like that now. So you've got the 2 there, and the 2 are underneath. So we're going to take our GG Cake Craft 810. Like I said, if you haven't got the 810, use an 80 or a 79, one of the little smile tips. It's just a wider smile tip, this one. So, and in the centre here, we're going to squeeze gently and pull up. And then we want one here, squeeze gently and pull up. And then there, squeeze gently and pull up. So you've got 3 in the centre. Now we're going to take our number 2 with the peach. So it's the Peach Progel, And it's a little round nozzle, number 2 right at the end. And wrap that bag on my finger a bit, that's it. So in the centre here, we're going to connect and we're going to make some stamens. So connect and pull out. That was a bit long, but it doesn't matter. We just need a little bit shorter than that. We just want to put about 4 or 5 in. Don't need them too long actually. So I'm going to put 4 in there, like so, and the centre one. There we go. So it's like that in the centre, as you can see. You've got the 4 stamens. Now, I've put some neat pink Progel. I've squirted a bit onto this lid. And we take a cocktail stick. So I've got a bit there. Just dab it in. And touch the ends of those stamens. Like so. So you've got the little dots on them. And then on these petals here, with the neat Progel, we're just going to put tiny little dots, little specks, like so. And a couple there. There. So it makes it look more like the little orchid. You can actually pop a little bit on the those are popping out if you wish. So it gives it more effect. For that you can actually curl that over a little bit because it's quite curled over there. So you can just pull that up like so. Now we take our number 2 with the Progel olive green. So you want this number 2 round nozzle, which is this one. And we're going to pipe some grasses. Make sure you connect to the cupcake. So it's like willowy. Just good squeeze so it adheres to the cupcake. And on that side, just to give it effect. And then we want some here, so we bring some up like so. So it looks like there's very thin grass petals coming out of there. And there we have our little moth orchid. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to press that like button, leave a comment, and also hit that notification bell, and also subscribe. That's the main things. Thank you and goodbye. Hope to see you again soon.